Alrighty, I gotta update a video about the helmet. It's done now. I got my headset, my this is like a light for the drones, I think it is. It will blink. You got a couple more that's going faster and faster. It's really bright. And then only this one. That's the slowest one. I got still my night vision on here. This is for when I have it on. As you can see, this mount is not really good. As you can see, it goes all the way forward like this. It should stay like that. So for now I just keep it with this. So I'm just gonna buy a new mount. It's coming my way, but it's gonna take a couple months because it's coming from China. Alright. So my headset. This will detect if any bullet sound will go off or something, and it will just suppress the sound. On the back we have our weight counterweights with all these little weights. It's not enough for me. I need more, kinda, because this night vision is heavy. I don't have a helmet cover. Well, I have one here on my helmet that I don't use, but I don't know, I don't like it that much. It's not my favorite. So yeah, so I just like it vanilla, I guess. Got the American patch on the side, and all the foaming is all just the same. There goes like one battery in here and a battery in here. This is your push to talk. You put that in your push to talk. I don't have that. I have an antenna, but I don't have the radio. I mean, this is not gonna fit. So yeah, I will show you on a dummy puppet how it looks like. Alright, that's how it looks like on the puppet. It is a World War II outfit, but you just have to look at the helmet. That's how it sits. I'll put the night vision down. You can see how it fits too. Alright, that's the helmet with the night vision forward. Pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. It was a pretty good dummy night vision, I would say. You got your fake on and off switch. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. We could be taking control. We could be taking control.